puzzle. Can you help me to put the number? Let us start with number 1. Oh, here you go. We have number 1. Number 1 goes right here. And yeah. Let's look for next number. We have 1, 2 cows. And where is number 2? Number 2, is that you? Oh, yeah. We found number 2. Number 2 goes right here. Okay. And let's look for number 3. We have 1, 2, 3 horses. Where is number 3? Oh, here you go. We have number 3. 3 goes right here. Next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sheep. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs. Where is number 5? Number 5 is right here, and it goes here with 5 pigs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks. Next number is 6. 6 is right here. Number 6 goes here with 6 ducks. Next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rooster. 7, number 7, it's here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cats. Number 8. Number 8. Next number, it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Number 9. Number 9. Here it's number 9. Our last number is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mice.
We did it!
1,